After logging into the Cloudspire voice portal, you can access the CRM client portal by clicking the Client Portal button in the top right corner of the navigation bar. This brings you to the Cloudspire CRM portal. The dashboard is your home base, giving you a quick summary of everything that needs your attention. At the top, you can see your company name and a personalized welcome message. The summary cards show you at a glance how many items need your attention. The pending SoWs card shows statements of work waiting for your review, and the active support tickets card shows your open support requests. Click either card to jump directly to that section. Below the summary cards, the items needing attention section highlights your most urgent items. SoWs awaiting your response are listed first, followed by your open support tickets. Each item shows its reference number, subject line, and current status. The tab navigation bar across the top gives you access to every section of the portal. Dashboard shows this overview. SoWs lists your statements of work. Support tickets lets you view and create tickets. SMS campaigns manages your texting setup. And Profile lets you update your contact information and password. Clicking the SoWs tab shows a full table of your statements of work with their reference numbers, subjects, dates, and current status. You can click any SoW number to open it and review the details. The Support Tickets tab lists all your support requests. You can see the ticket number, subject, date created, last reply, and status. Use the New Ticket button to submit a new support request at any time. And that is your Cloudspire CRM portal dashboard. Everything you need to manage your account, review proposals, and track support requests is right here in one place. That is all there is to it.